Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I feel like Wizard of Oz. The wind's blowing here, trying to get this in before the storm happens, and so and I'm going to try to do this off of memory. So if I stutter, just look past it. So a lot of things on the slate as we go into June. Saturday, June 1st, we're at Sarasota, BMW Sarasota. We're going to go up. I'm going to be there. I think a few folks from down in the Naples area and all are going to go up and join us up there. So see you there on Saturday. Also on Sunday, Punta Gorda breakfast at Skillets. So be there. And I think that's at the Promenade. So check the RSVP, come on out and join us there. And then on Tuesday, they're going, let me see if I can get this right. We're going to St. Pete. We're going to Tiki Docks Bar and Grill in St. Petersburg. So come on out, that's Jeff's event. So come on out and join us there, new place there. We're sort of checking out. And I think this is the second time we've been there. Everybody enjoyed the first time. So come on out and join us there. And then we jump ahead to the next weekend. And man, we got a heck of a schedule for next weekend. Next weekend, we're looking at, let me see if I can start. We have Caffeine and Gasoline, Caffeine and Octane in Jacksonville. That is Al and the whole crew up there taking on the Jacksonville Cars and Coffee kind of thing. And then we have the social, ice cream social. Meribeth's putting on an ice cream social in Dunellen, so you check that out. If you're in that territory, come on out and enjoy that. That'll be a lot of fun. And then we come on down to Lakeland, and Kyle's got the Cars and Coffee in Lakeland going on next Saturday. And then there's one more event. What was that? Can't remember what that was. Sunday the 9th, we're going to Naples Cars and Coffee down at the BMW dealership in South Naples. So come on down Sunday the 9th. And then I believe we jump ahead to the next weekend, the 15th. That is the Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers. So a lot on the schedule, a lot of things to do. We have a lot of activity first in the middle of the month as we prepare to get into the July 4th week. And we'll sort of calm down during that period and see what happens. And then we come roaring back in early part of July. So I think I made it through everything without dropping an event. And if I did, I'm sorry. Take a peek at the calendar. Oh, I will say this for this Saturday, as we're coming back from Sarasota, there is a grand opening. We've been invited to the Porsche dealership grand opening here in Fort Myers. New, just an amazing facility. The Porsche Club called us up personally and said, "We'd love for you to come by. If you think you're going to go, please call me. I need to make RSVPs to those guys at the Porsche Club." So appreciate them thinking of us, and we can go by and see their new digs in Fort Myers. So up until then, I think that's a lot. Yep, I believe that's it. So come on out, have some fun, join us. We're kicking off the summer. Really a lot of events going on, and more to come. So if you happen to want to go to if you happen to want to go to, I'm going to have a breakfast before the Fort Myers meeting this coming month. I'll announce that. If you want to come out early morning while it's still a little bit cool, then we'll do a quick breakfast and then go to the Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers on the 15th. So until then, hey, drop me a line, say hey. Everybody's going to be busy, so it's going to be a great summer. Until then, thanks everybody. Happy motoring. See ya.